From our problem, we know that we are going to divide 2,400 by 32. But before we divide 2,400 by 32, we want to write down our mnemonics. So we're going to divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So the first thing we need to ask is, can 32 divide into 2? And we know that that we are unable to do that because 32 is bigger than 2. So we're going to put in a 0. And then we can check, can 32 divide into 24? And we know that is not correct because 24 is less than 32. So then we go and ask, can 32 divide into 240? Well, I don't know that off the top of my head, so I may have to do a little side work. So I can multiply 32, let's do 32 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10, carry the 1. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 more is 16. Well, 160, we haven't quite gone over 240, so I would continue to go up. So then we can multiply 32 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 more is 19. Well, we still have not got past 240. So let's go up again. 32 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 more is 22. That's closer, but we still have not moved past 240. So let's try 32 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 more is 25. Wow, that is bigger than 240. So we cannot divide by 8. So the closest we can divide is by 7. We want to make sure we keep our numbers lined up. So we have just divided. So 7 times 32, we already know, is 224. So we just multiplied. Now we need to subtract. We can't subtract 4 from 0, so we borrow. 10 take away 4 is 6. 3 take away 2 is 1. Okay, so we just subtracted. Now, do we have a number to bring down? And we do. We bring down the 0. And any time you bring down a number, you have to start over. So now we need to divide 32 into 160. And we've already done the work once, so we can go over here and look. And 32 goes into 160 5 times. So we just divided. So 5 times 32 is 160. 160. We've multiplied. Then we subtract 160. Take away 160 is 0. I don't have another number to bring down, so my quotient and answer is 75.